Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new top 5 dish drying racks that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video. Number 5. The Marybox Roll-Up Dish. Drying rack is a versatile and practical addition to any kitchen. Crafted with a combination of silicone-wrapped and stainless steel wire, this drying rack boasts durability and strength. The product dimensions of 13dx18wx0.3h provide ample space for drying various items ranging from bottles to clothing with ease. The sleek black color of the Marybox drying rack adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen decor while showcasing a modern design. Its recommended uses cover a wide range of items, including dish drainers, kitchen utensils, and even multi-purpose items, making it a versatile solution for organizing your space. One of the standout features of this drying rack is its mounting flexibility, as it can be placed over the sink or counter.
Number 4. The Stone Dish Drying Mat with Drainer Dish Rack by Marseille is a game-changer for any kitchen. Crafted from premium diatomite material, this mat offers unparalleled absorption capabilities, making it efficient at drying dishes quickly and effectively. The innovative design incorporates a drainer dish rack, allowing for utensils and cutlery to air-dry naturally. The sleek gray and black color scheme adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor, while the countertop mounting type ensures stability and convenience during use. One of the standout features of this product is its slip-resistant surface, which provides an added layer of safety by preventing dishes from sliding around. Overall, the Stone Dish Drying Mat with Drainer Dish Rack is a functional and stylish addition to any kitchen space. Whether you are looking to streamline your dishwashing routine or enhance the visual appeal of your countertops, this product delivers on both fronts. Experience the convenience and quality. Experience.
Number 3. This Over-the-Sink Dish. Drying Rack by Gaokezi is a practical and efficient solution for organizing your kitchen space. With dimensions of 10 into 33.5 into 31.8 inches, and a weight of 10.43 pounds, this two-tier rack offers ample room for drying dishes, utensils, and other kitchen items. The sleek design of this dish rack not only adds a modern touch to your kitchen, but also maximizes the utility of your sink area. Its sturdy construction ensures stability while accommodating a significant number of items for drying. The thoughtful design allows water to drip directly into the sink, keeping your countertops clean and dry. With a solid customer rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars based on 60 ratings, this dish drying rack proves to be a reliable and popular choice among users. Its placement is hash 29,157 in kitchen and dining, and hash 326 in dish racks in the best sellers rank reflects its value and functionality in the market. Overall, the over-the-sink dish drying rack offers a blend of form and function.
Number 2. The Joseph Extend Expandable Dish. Drying rack is a versatile addition to any kitchen. Made of durable polypropylene, this dish drying rack is designed with functionality and style in mind. With dimensions of 12.2 inches in diameter, 13.9 inches in width, and 6.6 inches in height, it offers ample space for your dishware glasses, bowls, and cutlery. The light stone sage color adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor, while the countertop mount design ensures easy access and use. Weighing only 3.3 pounds, this dish drying rack is lightweight yet sturdy. One of the standout features of this product is its flexibility and removability. The extendable design allows you to customize the size according to your needs, making it ideal for both small and large kitchen spaces. Additionally, the removable components make cleaning and maintenance a breeze. Whether you have a compact kitchen or a spacious one, the Joseph Extend Expandable Dish Drying Rack is a practical and stylish.
Number 1. The Tulip Dish Rack is a sleek and efficient kitchen accessory designed to streamline your dish drying and organization process. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this dish rack ensures long-lasting performance and a modern aesthetic. With product dimensions of 13.4 inches in diameter, 17.3 inches in width, and 5.87 inches in height, the Tulip Dish Rack provides ample space for drying plates, bowls, cutlery, and more. Its large capacity is perfect for families or individuals who require a reliable dish drainer solution. The black color of the dish rack adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor, seamlessly blending in with various styles. The utensil holder feature of the tool of dish rack allows for better organization by keeping your kitchen tools within easy reach. Whether mounted on the kitchen counter or over the sink, this dish rack offers flexibility in terms of placement, catering to different kitchen layouts and preferences. Weighing 2.2 kilograms, it strikes the right